Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you exactly and step by step how you can verify your freshly created account on Bluesky, a social media platform I stumbled upon just recently, and it seems to be a pretty decent alternative to X/Twitter, or previously known as Twitter. So guys, if you have decided, for example, to use Bluesky for your personal but also commercial purposes, like for instance for various marketing campaigns or to promote your own brand, you will need to verify your account first before you will be given the opportunity and the permission to post your own content on Bluesky. So with that in mind, let me show you how to do that really quickly. Drop a like and now let us get started. So what you want to do guys is log into your freshly created account. Here on Bluesky, you can access Bluesky either through their mobile app or through your web browser. And once you're inside guys, you won't be able to post any content or to interact with content from other users unless you have verified your freshly created account. So to do that, click on that gear icon here to the left. Next, inside your account settings, click on account here. That is going to take you to that sub menu here. Now guys, if you haven't done that yet, you'll see or be displayed a verify button here at the top, just close to your email address you used for the registration. As you can see here to the right, from my email address, we see that checkmark icon, which indicates that my email address has already been verified, so I don't have to do that again. But if you haven't done that yet, guys, click on that verify button here, and in the following, Bluesky will simply send you a one-time verification code either via email or SMS. Usually it's via email. So all you will need to do is head over to your email inbox, copy that verification code and enter it here again to confirm your verification and to verify that it is really you, a real human, and not a bot logging in. After that, your email address associated with your account will be given that checkmark button or badge here too, and also you'll be given full access to all the content publishing or content creation features here on Bluesky, so that you can publish posts or interact with other content creators' posts and like them, share them, and so on and so forth. So guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.